Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this new pattern of Crochet Doily. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. Okay, after slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. See, I'll join first and last stitch with slip stitch. Because of that, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It is small but it is big enough that a needle can easily pass through it. Okay, now each time we will pass our needle from inside that circle, okay, and make a double crochet stitch. See, from inside that circle. Okay, so similarly we have to make 20 double crochet stitches. See, I'll yarn over, pass my needle from inside that circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and then again yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So like I'm making a double crochet stitch, but each time I'm passing my needle from inside that circle. If any of you want to refer a tutorial video for how to make a double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. That is also with written notes, easily explained, slow demonstration is given, so you can refer the tutorial video also. Okay, I'll just complete this 20 double crochet stitches. Just remember, each time you have to pass your needle from inside that circle, tiny circle. Okay, and you have to make 20 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. Just remember one thing, that free end of the yarn, please don't take it into stitches. We need to pull it later to fix that middle gap. See, I've completed my 20 double crochet stitches. Now I'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get the like complete circle, round is complete. Okay. Now see that free yarn. See this free end of the yarn, we will pull it. So that middle gap is like closed completely and we get a flat circle. See, this way. Now for the next round, we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. We have to repeat this pattern all around this round. So it is like 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. And when we come by end, just join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Just remember 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. See, I'm done with the 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, all around the circle. Okay, now I'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we are supposed to make a framework on which a complete design will come. So for that we will first make a double crochet stitch. Okay. After that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. And then we will skip next stitch where we made a double crochet stitch, and next to that we will make another double crochet stitch. Okay. So like every alternate stitch we will make a double crochet stitch followed by 3 chain crochet stitch. Skip next stitch and then again in next stitch we will make a double crochet stitch followed by 3 chain crochet stitches. So this pattern we have to do all around for complete circle. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Our design will come on this pattern, on this framework. So this is how our framework looks after completion. Okay, now our complete design is going to come on that. Now we will join our last stitch with the first double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Okay. Here we complete our framework. Now we will join new yarn. To join new yarn, you should have 2 loops on your needle. Okay, one we already have, we will take one more loop. Okay, now just pull that new yarn from both loops at once. Okay, now we will start with a pattern, our design. So we have to make 7 chain crochet stitches. Okay, after 7 chain crochet stitches we will join first and fourth stitch with slip stitch. Okay, so we get a point. Okay, so here I am joining first and fourth stitch with slip stitch, so we get a point now. Now after that, see that double crochet stitch on which we have taken 7 chain crochet stitches. Now we will make 15 double crochet stitches around that one single double crochet stitch. Okay, just remember we have to make 15 double crochet stitches around that single double crochet stitch, and we will join our last stitch with next double crochet stitch. Okay, so like this pattern we are going to do for every double crochet stitch we have made in a framework. Okay, pattern is going to be same for every double crochet stitch. Okay, just see, this is how I am making double crochet stitches. So we have to make 15 such double crochet stitches. See, I'm passing my needle from under that double crochet stitch, grabbing the yarn, pulling it out, and again I'm completing my double crochet stitch. So like this I'll just make 15 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. See, this is how it looks. Okay, and now this we will join, our last stitch we will join with the next double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Now where we join our last stitch with the slip stitch with next double crochet stitch, again a pattern starts. So we will be making now 7 chain crochet stitches. We will join first and fourth stitch with slip stitch. We get a point, and around that double crochet stitch we will make 15 double crochet stitches. Then again we will join last stitch with next double crochet stitch. So we have to go on doing this all around our framework. Pattern is going to be same. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you how a coaster looks like. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. See, this is how a coaster looks after complete design is complete. If you want to decorate it by it's your wish, however you want to decorate it. It's, I'm keeping it as it is. This also, it's looking so pretty. So those who have already subscribed my YouTube channel, thanks a lot, thank you so much. And those who have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, Sanjs Aasha, please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos, and as you can see, all tutorial videos are quite easy to understand. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.